Hello friend, welcome back to my new video. Friend, today I will review about Swagbucks site. It is real or fake. Don't skip any part of the video. So I open my Swagbucks. Guys, here you can earn money by answering surveys. And when you have at least 705 SB, you can redeem it in your Amazon cart. And here also available people for redeem money. You can also buy completing tasks here. Guys, now I am withdrawing my money from Swagbucks. So guys, first of all you need click on reward section in Swagbucks. Guys, it's processing. After that you can see guys here many reward section like Amazon, moeny, Flipkart. I select Amazon 500 gift card voucher. You can see get Amazon.in gift card worth 500 rupees. So guys, you will see a claim a gift card button. Click on that and let's verify your account. So first of all you need enter your number, then click on send code. You will receive a OTP. Paste OTP and then click on verify button. Thank you, your account has been verified. After that guys, you will see this interface. Great choice, let's verify your order. So guys, you enter your address and then click on done button and click on claim a gift card. Thank you, your order has been placed. Guys, you can see your order is processing. Guys, I open my Gmail and search about Swagbucks. So guys, you can see your Amazon.in gift card has been processed and verified. So guys, you can see your order for Amazon.in gift card 500 has been verified and is being processed. Guys, you will receive your payment within 5 days. So guys, after 5 days I'm going to show my payment which I received from Amazon gift card from Swagbucks. So guys, I search about Swagbucks. You can see guys, I search for Amazon message from Swagbucks. So guys, it's processing and you can see I received my Amazon gift card worth 500 rupees within 2 days. You can see date, it's 12 July. And guys, you need to claim this voucher code. Click on will you view my gift card and you need to enter your password here. And guys, you can see Amazon voucher code. You need copy it and paste in your Amazon. I opened my Amazon Pay and search about gift card voucher, and guys, you can see paste your Amazon gift card and click on gift card balance mein jode. So guys, it's processing. Guys, you can see gift card has been added to Amazon gift card voucher. You can use it for recharge and buying things on Amazon. So guys, you can see 500 rupees has been credited in my Amazon gift card wallet. Guys, I hope this video helpful for you. So make sure subscribe our channel and press bell icon on all notification. Thanks for watching.